How to request an invoice on Airfrance. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can request an invoice on Airfrance. So how do you do this? The first step is to log in into your Airfrance account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Alright. On this home page, you'll see the Airfrance logo, and then just below the logo, you'll see four different options which include book a flight, check in, my booking, then information. Then once you can see this under the book a flight option, you can scroll down and then decide to search out flight depending on your destination or wherever you're heading to. Now as you can see all of this, the next thing you must notice that your invoice normally is the itinerary receipt sent after your booking as a proof of your purchase. That is the normal invoice that Air France sends to customers or to clients. Alright, whenever you book a flight and you've made payment, an itinerary receipt usually sends to your email as proof of purchase. But if you want to request an invoice online for ticket directly purchased on website, the next step to do is to visit or make a call to the call center. And how do you call the contact center? The first step after logging in is to move to the top left corner, click on the three dashes, scroll down. That was a mistake. Let's click on that again. Let's go back. Okay, so wait for it to load again, and then click on the three dashes. Then in the box displayed, scroll down and then select contact us. Once you selected contact us, you'll be directed to the call center. So on this page, you can see different options, refund and complaints. You can see baggage. You can see um, Air France flying, corporate travel, etc. So you can just go ahead and select planning my trip and booking a flight, and then you can see different options again. So you can say I need assistance with an online booking, and then you can see the solution provided, and then you can see below it you can see need further assistance. Just click on the box, and then you can now see the telephone numbers that you can call to make your inquiries or to request for an invoice. So once you've seen these numbers, just go ahead, copy them out, call the numbers, and then make your request known. And then within 5 working days, your invoice will be sent to you. That is it. Very, very simple. That's how you can request for an invoice on Air France. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.